Hi, I'm Brian Cross. I'm the head of professional services for Esri here in Redlands, California. We're so happy to have you part of the One Esri Bootcamp and the global professional services community.
Hello everyone, my name is Wai Ling. I'm the head of professional services from Esri Malaysia. Welcome to the Esri PS Global Community.
Hi, my name is Kevin Escalera. I work as a professional services leader here in Esri Panama, and I'm very glad to be part of this community and participate in this event.
Hi, my name is Andreas Greithaner and I'm Director of Professional Services at Esri Germany and Switzerland. I want to thank Mark Horsley and his team for organizing the community of praxis. Take the chance and time to share experiences and find new contacts. Stay healthy.
Hi, I'm Bruno Antonio, Professional Service Manager from Esri Portugal. Welcome to PS Community of Practice.
Hello everybody, my name is Glenda Roman, Professional Services Manager at Geographic Mapping Technologies, Esri distributor for Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic and the US Virgin Islands. I'm very happy and I'm very excited to welcome you to this year's 2021's Esri One Bootcamp, specifically to the Professional Services track. I hope you guys get to enjoy and to learn a lot from all the material and the activities that the Esri professional team has prepared for you. And I also hope that you have the opportunity to meet new people, to share experiences, and continue growing the Esri professional services community around the globe. So welcome and bienvenidos.
Hello, I'm George Ibrahim, the Director of Services in GISTIC, Esri distributor in the UAE, a proud member of the Global PS Community of Practice, and would like to welcome you all.
Hi, I'm Carlos Eduardo. I'm responsible for professional service in Margem based in Brazil. I welcome you all to the Global PS Community Practices. Please enjoy this week to learn and to share with all the other distributors and from Esri Inc. This will be really a rich moment for you guys.
Hello everyone, greeting from Jakarta. I am Yusi, head of PS Esri Indonesia. I would like to welcome you all to Esri Global PS Community Practice. Terima kasih.
All right. It's a interesting video. We recorded that last year. There were a few Easter eggs in there that might have given that away. It's interesting to see how much can change even in just 12 months. Many of those organizations, we have new PS managers. We've had some people move on and many of them have stayed within the network. So it's exciting to see that change and how we can continue to connect with each other, even kind of in different capacities. All right, let me find my presentation here and we'll kick it off again. I wanted to orient everybody to really the mission and purpose of this event. As I said, we've been doing this for, I think, nearly a decade now. And the mission really hasn't changed. We use this time as a chance to connect with all of you every year to really think about things from a kind of an individual and organizational knowledge level. We want the employees within our network, that's Esri Inc., as well as all of you, to really come together in this collaborative environment to learn from each other, to align on the same mission and principles that cut across all of the work that we do. And we really do that with the mindset of having a consistent customer experience when our customers engage with Esri around the world. And what we mean by that is that no matter where an organization exists in this world, a customer organization, if they're engaged in professional services in Singapore or in Sweden or in Seattle, it's the same experience. They can expect the same quality of services. They can expect the same philosophies. They can expect the same approach to that work. And it's really powerful. That gives our customers really the keys to success that they need to really work with Esri holistically. And it also helps it make it easier for our organizations to collaborate and work better together as we support our customers in that capacity. So this week, we've got a number of different topics that we plan to work through with you, starting with today, which is really an orientation to this One Esri concept. We've got all the times here in California time, but of course, you can adjust that to your local time zone. We'll be kicking things off in just a little bit here with introductions, and we'll try to go fast. I know we have a lot on the call, but I think it's important. We'll give it a shot. And then I will give a brief overview of One Esri, this concept of a One Esri program and talk a little bit about the global ecosystem. What are those organizations that we may interact with within our network? We will be taking breaks. We'll have 2 breaks every day. My target is at least 15 minutes for those. We'll see how timing goes. And then we'll also be doing networking sessions, this concept of shared experiences where we are a big group here. The value will be in the small conversations we have. So we will do we will actually break you up in the small groups, have you talk through a discussion topic that we share, and then you will bring some of that feedback back to the larger group. It's just a chance for us to give you a chance to kind of talk and meet your peers here within this call. And then later this morning, we'll dive into the PS mission and purpose, right? What is this mission that aligns all of us, that really sits under all of the work that your organizations do and actually that you do? It's good to keep that in mind and see that it's actually a common thread across all of our organizations as well. And then we'll wrap up this morning with a bit more of that networking time. Going into tomorrow, we'll be spending a bit more time talking about this global net. Oh, let's see here. I got slides hidden. Give me 1 minute. Ignore the times on this one. We're gonna go the old-fashioned way. All right. These times are in the previous time zone, but you can still know what this is for tomorrow. So we're gonna be kicking off tomorrow, again, focused now in the theme of collaboration. We'll be talking more about the PS community of practice and what it actually is, and some of the sub-communities that exist under this larger umbrella of the PS community of practice. These are kind of role-based communities and maybe business-based communities, but this is where the work is getting done. This is how you're going to experience the network. And we want to make sure that first you understand the resources available to you out there, and that you actually get a chance to join and then start to participate in these areas where it makes sense based on your organization, based on your role. We'll also do a little bit more shared experiences, and then we'll invite Jim Pardue in to talk us through this concept of Esri method and how it works with in the context of geospatial strategy. This is a really important concept that we all touch in various ways, and we want to make sure you all have a good idea of what that is and how to use it in the work that you do and the conversations you have. And then finally tomorrow, we will be talking about the collaboration within the network. So looking at these different organizations, partners, distributors, other types of organizations, and how do we all work together to come together and really support the customer holistically. And then finally, on the third day, we will be diving into the work that we do. How do we actually engage with our customers? And we do that collectively. There are 3 common ways we do that. We do that through technical consulting. That's inclusive of some of our service package business. We do that through Advantage programs, and we do that through projects. And we'll be going a little deeper on each of those, what those lines of business look like, why are they valuable to Esri, why are they valuable to our customers, and we'll also use this time to get in and you'll actually get to meet some colleagues from around the world who do this work every day in roles like project manager or advisor or technical consultant, and they'll be sharing some of their experiences. So you get a little bit of a better idea on how that work looks like in practice. We'll do a bit more shared experiences later, day 3, and then we will actually wrap with some open discussion and also time for questions and answers. So as we go through this, we will do our best, of course, to answer any questions you have. You can always put those in the chat or reach out and say something. We're happy to have those conversations, but if there's big things maybe towards the end that we didn't get a chance to cover or discuss, we've got a little bit of time at the end to wrap that up. Any questions on the agenda other than my times being wrong? Okay. Then what I'd like to do is I'd like to try to get through this. It's important for us to get to know each other. You'll get chances to meet each other a little better in our smaller groups and throughout the week. But I'm going to start here. and maybe I'll ask each of you to keep it pretty brief because there's 43 of us on this call, 41, not counting Mark and myself. We'd like to hear from each of you, and with your camera on if possible, your name, which organization you're from, and what part of the world that is. Also your roles that you have. And then we're trying to keep something in here fun where we get to know you a little bit outside of work. And it's great in these international calls to dive into a topic like food. And I haven't had breakfast yet, so this is a chance for you to get me hungry so I can grab something here. But yeah, your favorite food or favorite cuisine, something like that. And I'll start from the top of my list. And I have Mohammed Gamal on top. Mohammed, would you mind going first, kicking us off?
Osama, I'm Muhammad's teammate, and actually he is doing his prayers right now, and he will join shortly in like 10 minutes or something.
Okay. Osama, would you like to go?
Okay, of course. Hello, it's me, Osama Othman. I'm from Esri, North Africa, which is located in Egypt, actually. I don't know if anybody have been in Egypt before or something. I work as platform configuration engineer at Esri North Africa, and my favorite food, and nearly almost all Egyptians' favorite food is it's an Egyptian, it's a meat from the Egyptian cuisine. It's called we call it mashi, and its translation or its meaning is like stuffed grapes leaves. It's the leaves of grapes stuffed with rice. I don't know if somebody here has a similar food or similar meal in their cuisine or in their national cuisine. It's very delicious, and anybody who may come nearly to Egypt, I totally recommend he should try it.
It's great. Thank you, Osama. Kay Ho?
Yes, hello everybody. My name is Kay. I'm from SV Hong Kong, China. Yeah, my role in my company is the project manager of the professional service department. My favorite food is lobster and steak. Yeah, delicious.
That's good.
Yeah,
that's great. Thank you. Good choices. Let's see here. Abdur Mirza. This is also
yeah,
a good
hi.
chance. Yep, go ahead.
This is Abdul Rahman, and basically I'm from India, and my organization is Justech, and I'm working there as a data specialist. And my favorite food is Hyderabadi biryani.
All right, great.
Yeah, that is a mix of rice and chicken.
Perfect. Thank you, Abdur.
Thank you so much.
That's a great, actually, that reminds me, I know many of you have, you go by names that maybe are different than what I see here in the Zoom list. So one of the things you can do is if you hover over your name, you should see a button that says more. And when you click on more, you should see an option in that drop-down menu to rename. So if you'd prefer that we call you by something else, please feel free to do that. And then that gets a chance for us to get it right. We want to make sure that we're using the right names here, the ones that you prefer. Adam Mukhtar.
Hello, I'm Adam from Esri, Malaysia. So right now I'm playing a two role in my organization. I am as a project manager, and I play a role as a technical team lead as well. But most of my time I spend on leading a technical team in my projects. It's very hard to say about a favorite food because I can eat almost anything, but my favorite food is always a tomato rice. It's a rice with a tomato in my country. Is very popular.
Great. Yeah. Thank you, Adam. Adriana Ruiz.
Hi, my name is Adriana Ruiz. I work on Esri Colombia. My role is project manager and consulting area. My favorite food is Italian food or typical Colombian food. It's very delicious.
Yeah, great. Thanks, Adriana.
Thanks.
Alejandro Pequeño.
Hello everyone, I'm Alejandro Pequeño. I come from Esri, Spain. I'm currently working on professional services, more focused on consultant area and software developing. And well, my favorite food is probably pasta, pizza, Italian food, like Adriana. And of course, Spanish omelette is delicious too.
Yeah.
So that's all. Thank you to everyone.
Thank you. Alvaro Navarro.
Hi everyone, I'm Alvaro Navarro from Esri, Spain. My role in this organization is GIS technician. And one favorite food, maybe all the Spanish food, but another one could be pizza, like Adriana and Alejandro.
Great, thank you. Amanda Clayton.
Hey everybody, Amanda Clayton. I am with Esri Inc. out of the DC office. My role is a delivery coordinator, helping with the Advantage programs. And then I kind of also do a little bit of technical consulting coordination activities. And my favorite food is probably warm chocolate chip cookies.
Somebody else, didn't somebody else say that in the last session? That's
Yes.
funny. It's great. Okay, thank you, Amanda. Amr Yusuf.
Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Amr Yusuf from Egypt, located here in Qatar, Doha, working in Mannai Corporation as a project leader. My favorite food is pasta, fettuccine, Alfredo chicken, koshari. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you,
You're
Amr.
welcome. Thanks.
Arthur.
Hi everyone, I'm Arthur de Bekker from Esri Belux, where I'm a GIS consultant, and my favorite food, if I have to choose, would be Lebanese.
Oh, great, great. Thanks, Arthur. Bart Kaufman.
Hi everyone, my name is Bart, working with Esri Netherlands in Europe, based in Rotterdam. My role is team lead, data and analytics. Favorite food might be the toughest question you're going to ask us today and tomorrow, Ben. Too much to choose from, but I think I'll go for Spanish tapas for now.
Yeah, I'm here for the hard-hitting questions, so I'm gonna keep you on your toes. Thanks, Arthur. Or yep, thanks, Bart. Bijan Tahiri.
Hi, I'm Bijan. I'm from GeoInfo in Denmark, and I work as a GIS consultant. And for the favorite food, I gotta give it up to the Italians.
It's interesting. It's how many of your favorite foods kind of are in like parts of the world that are not where you're from. So I love it. Britta.
Hi everyone, I am Britta Laura Belkoka from SIA Envirotech, that is in Latvia, Baltic states. And I am a GIS specialist. I work currently in different projects. I also do some consulting and sometimes even training. And my favorite food, probably anything sweet. I like chocolate. Thanks.
That's good. Yeah, thank you. Okay, Caroline.
Hi everybody, I'm Caroline, also from Esri Netherlands, based in Rotterdam as well. My role with Esri Netherlands is team lead of a professional services team and project manager. And actually my favorite food is also chocolate in any way, form, etc.
Great. Charles.
Hi, I'm Charles from Esri France. I'm based in Lyon. I'm project manager, and my favorite food is maybe chocolate, or the choice is difficult.
Lots of chocolate fans.
Yes.
That's good. Thank you, Charles. Clement.
Yes, hi everyone. I'm Clément from Esri France. I live in Lyon. I'm a GIS consultant in the Advantage program, and I love pastas, whole kind of pastas.
Great. Thank you, Clement.
Welcome.
Dan Barnes.
Hey, my name's Dan Barnes. I am a technical consultant with Esri Inc. I'm based in New York City, where I work on projects with city government. My favorite food's probably, since it's breakfast, a good bagel with cream cheese, smoked salmon.
Thanks, Dan. Edwin.
Hi, my name is Edwin Solis, and I work with Geotecnologías, Esri distributor for Costa Rica, Nicaragua, and Guatemala. I work with professional services, and also I am a certified technical trainer, and I love pizza. That's my favorite one.
Okay, thank you, Edwin. Fernando Aguilar. Fernando?
Hi.
Yep.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Fernando Aguilar. I am from SIGSA, from Mexico City. My role within the organization is a solution engineer, and my favorite food is varied, but I think the cochinita pibil is good,
Yeah.
delicious.
Thank you, Fernando. Francisco.
Hello, everybody. My name is Francisco Calderon. I work in Telematica from Peru. My role in my organization is GIS Consulting. Our favorite food is typical Peru food and Kentucky Fried Chicken.
It's good. I love Kentucky Fried Chicken. My kids were asking for that yesterday. Thank you. Gert?
Hi, I'm Gert Bergers, based in working for Esri Benelux, Belgium, and as a business consultant. My favorite food is steak with French fries, but I should say that French fries should be called Belgian fries because it's originating from Belgium, and as dessert, ice cream, which from time to time I make myself.
Oh, excellent. Thank you, Gert. Hamze Shreda.
Hi, this is Hamza. I'm located in Jordan. I'm working with GISTEC in UAE. My role is technical lead for some project and PS group leads. My favorite food is non-savage Jordanian and heavy food.
Great, thank you.
Welcome.
Jason.
Hi everyone. Good evening. Good evening here.
That's okay.
Good day to everyone. I'm Jason from G-Data Systems here in the Philippines. So I'm the head of the training and technical support. But usually we've been part of some project implementation. So my role usually is a tech lead, technical lead. And my favorite food is any food. So typically there's rice, meat, and fish stuff. So that's all.
Okay, thank you, Jason. Jose Miguel Guijarro.
Hi everyone. My name is Jose Miguel Guijarro. I work with Esri Spain with professional services in the Esri Managed Cloud Services team. And my favorite food, I will go with pizza.
All right. Lots of pizza fans. Kepa Lopez.
Yeah. Hi everyone.
My name is Kepa Lopez. I work as a specialist technician at Aero Spain as well, like Josemi, and focused especially in Python scripting. And my favorite food, I have to go for the Spanish delicious omelette.
Oh, good. Good breakfast choice too. Luis Antonio.
Hello, my name is Luis Antonio Rodriguez. I work for Esri Spain, like Kepa, Josemi, and so on. I have several roles, but mainly project manager and senior consultant, focus in the develop project. Focus also in GeoEve and Geoanalytica Big Data Store project. My favorite food is Spanish omelette and paella.
All right, thank you, Luis Antonio. Luis Santa Maria.
Yes, hi everyone. I'm Luis Santa Maria from Esri Spain. I'm the same team that Alvaro and Kepa, and colleagues of the Luis and the rest of the organization. I'm a technician specialist. I'm focused on enterprise deployment and Python scripts for automatizations also. My favorite food is Japanese food. Well, but to say something, because I love the food in general.
Yeah, great. Okay, thank you. Luisa.
Hi, everyone. My name is Luisa Fernanda. I'm from Esri, Colombia. I'm a project manager in the consulting area. And my favorite food is, it's so difficult because, like to my coworker Adriana, my favorite food is all the Colombian typical food. So my favorite is the ajiaco. It's a typical food in Bogota, and obviously the Colombian coffee.
Oh yeah, I might be having some of that right now.
Yeah.
Thank you. Martin Miguel.
Hi, my name is Martin Miguel. I work in Aeroterra, that is Esri in Argentina and Uruguay. My role in the organization is a project manager, and my favorite food is barbecue.
Thank you. Thank you, Martin. Okay, Mike Patarafon.
Hi everyone, my name is Mike. I'm from Esri, Thailand. My role is implement business project. My favorite food is steak and salad.
Great, thank you. I think Mike and Jason get the most points for joining at the most inconvenient time, because I know it's very late there in Thailand and in the Philippines as well.
Yeah.
Thank you for being here. And actually, it is awesome because you're going to get to share a perspective of a region, right, that otherwise maybe we wouldn't get on this call. So we're looking forward to that. Thank you. Nicola Licia.
Hi everyone, my name is Nicola. I'm from Sardinia, Italy. I work in Esri Italia as GIS developer, and my favorite food is lasagna.
Thank you very much, Nicola.
Thank you.
Nisleida.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisleida Morales. You can call me Nis. I work at Aeroterra. It is a Esri distributor in Argentina and Uruguay. My role is solution engineer, and I think that my favorite food is tequeños. It is a Venezuelan snack that is prepared with cheese.
Great, thank you. Osama, you went previously, okay. Pablo?
Hi, my name is Pablo. I'm from Esri Spain too. My roles in the organization are senior GIS consultant and developer web and desktop too. My favorite food is everything from Spain and Mexico. I like them both.
Thank you. Paulius.
Hello, everyone. I'm Paulius, or Paul for short. I'm from Lithuania, Baltic state in Europe. I am working as a project manager in Hinit Baltic. And my favorite food is ice cream, huge portion of ice cream with chocolate.
All right. Lots of ice cream, lots of chocolate and ice cream fans, as well as the pizza fans. It's good. Raisa.
Hi, everyone. My name is Raisa Rosero. I work in Esri Panama. I'm project manager in professional service. I love pasta.
Thank you, Raisa. Ronnie?
Hi, Ben. Hi, everybody.
Hey,
My name is Ronnie of Geotecnologías in Costa Rica. My role is a professional services manager, project manager. My favorite food, I love typical food, Italian food, coffee, and beer.
There's probably a few beer lovers on this call. Thanks, Ronnie.
Thanks, Ben.
Yeah, good to see you again. Sabina?
Hi, I am Sabina from Esri Italia in Rome. My role is competency center in professional service. My favorite food is pasta, pomodoro e basilico, and I love chocolate.
All right. Thank you, Sabina. Sharif?
Hello, everyone. I am Sharif from Egypt. My role is a platform configuration team leader at Esri North Africa. My favorite food is Egyptian typical foods.
All right. Thank you, Sharif. Vasant?
Hi, this is Vasant. I'm working for Manai in Qatar. I'm functioning as a technical consultant and a business analyst for generally enterprise implementations and also in pre-sales. So that's my favorite food is generally seafood, especially Thai kind of, right?
Great. Thank you, Vasant. Ilse? Okay. Thank you, Ilse. And Zoe?
Hi everyone, I'm Zoe. I'm from Esri UK in Europe. I am a lead consultant in our professional services department, and I would say my favorite food is chocolate cake with a cup of tea.
More chocolate. I love it.
More chocolate.
All right, I'm ready for breakfast. But before we do anything else, did I miss anybody? I didn't think I did. Oh, Juan Barrera. Sorry. Yes, Juan, please go ahead.
Yeah, it's okay. Hi, everyone.
Juan.
My name is Juan Varela. I'm from Geotecnologías, which is the Esri distributor for Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Guatemala. I'm a GIS specialist, and my favorite food is sushi and Italian food.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Juan. Thank you for keeping me honest and speaking up. Anybody else? You need to put your name in the chat. I have to say, there's a lot of people. We got through that, I mean, remarkably fast. So thank you for just being so good with even coming off mute and getting and saying I think the audio was good for everybody. So thank you for that. It's great. Okay. I guess just to wrap this session up, before we get into the first real topic, a couple more things. We've talked about a little bit of this around how we best learn virtually. One thing I do want to say is we do have a large group here. but there were so many more people who wanted to participate in this. And Mark and I approach this event with the philosophy that we want everyone to be able to talk to each other, to meet each other, and to make meaningful connections. And so because of that, we did limit the attendance to this event. And so I think as much as we can, for those of you that are here, just be aware that there are other people who are not here because we made space for you. And because of that, I think we want to make sure that you're all getting the most out of this, that you're really maximizing the investment that your organization has put into you being here. Of course, there was a small cost, but really it's more the time, right? The time and the space, right? There were just a few spots for each organization. You're in those spots and you were going to be here for the next 3 days with us. That's time out of your work lives. And so that is an investment that your organizations are making in you. So let's make it as valuable as possible. And some of that means keeping these best practices in mind. So again, where you can, have the video on, that really helps us. And I think it'll help you stay involved and engaged in the content and the conversations. You're already experts at all of this because we've been working this way for way too long now. But as you know, if you can mute when you're not speaking, that helps with any background noise and stuff too. Although Mark and Eleni and I can also mute you where it makes sense. So, just keep that in mind. And then participate. We've got some virtual tools here. I don't know if all of you have used Zoom before, but it's very similar to some of the other virtual kind of meeting tools you've probably used. You have the ability in your down, you're going to have a bar there with some different capabilities. And one of them, I believe, is like, I can't see it right now because I'm presenting, but to be able to give responses or reactions, right? So please use that to raise your hand, to clap, to do other things as we go throughout this event. That'll help us stay engaged. We have the chat. Many of you have already used that. Thank you. You can chat with the whole group, or if you just want to chat with me, you can choose that as a direct message to myself, Mark, or anybody else in the meeting room. Please feel free to do that. You can also put comments and questions in there. And then this last point is important. I know it's so tempting to kind of multitask when you're in an event like this. You've got emails, you've got other things going on, you've got work on the side, maybe other chats, but as much as you can remove those distractions, that will help you be more present in the content here. We're going to be taking breaks. We want to do our best to make sure you don't wear out, right, in these virtual sessions. We will give you time to get into those other things. So please, as much as you can, avoid those distractions, keep meetings or other things you have to do to the times that we outside of this event. And I think that'll help us all have a more successful boot camp this week. I think that's all. I'm not going to cover this. I think it's self-explanatory. I'll pause there. Mark, was there anything else you wanted to add as we kind of come out of the welcome and get ready to get into some content here?
Yeah, I just want to again welcome everybody. Just as you said, Ben, thanks for everyone for sharing a little bit about them here, and we really want to see that continue. I think the thing I'd highlight is I think we'll all feel we haven't met each other, so you may feel a little sort of apprehensive or unsure. I just really want to encourage everyone to feel relaxed within a group of peers and colleagues from around the world. And appreciate that for some, English may be second or even third language.